C-Ross is an indispensable tool in any season for all your loading, grading, and raking needs. C-Ross is designed by the experts at Foxx Innovation, who develop and market ATV accessories. Its sturdiness and versatility will surprise you. Sturdy construction. Surfaces treated with industrial-grade urethane paint. Industrial-grade joystick operating lever. Pivot points can be lubricated. Reversible leveling blade transformable into a snow bucket. 24-inch and 48-inch bucket. Suspension stabilizer for forward independent suspension. 5 horsepower, 4-stroke superior quality Honda engine. Unique, easy, and fast attachment system. C-Ross fits most 4-wheel drive vehicles with a 300cc engine or more. Your ATV dealer can prepare your ATV to attach the front end loader. No major modifications are needed to ready your ATV. It's easy to install a C-Ross on your ATV. When you want to install or uninstall C-Ross on your ATV, simply latch the loader to the support installed on the front of your ATV. No tools, no strain, 2 minutes is all it takes to mount and dismount. Now that's easy. The installation of accessories is done just as quickly. By connecting C-Ross to the front of your ATV and the XKV Tour to the rear, you have at your disposal a unique excavating and landscaping vehicle, unparalleled in the market. C-Ross is sturdy, heavy-duty, stable, and easy to use. And since it's installed on the front of your ATV, it does not damage finished surfaces as industrial loaders do. From construction, landscaping, or grading during the summer months to snow removal in winter, C-Ross is your all-purpose tool. You will especially appreciate its wide range of movement, a height of 70 inches, a front span of 40 inches, and a lift capacity of 400 pounds. Superior accessibility, unsurpassed maneuverability, unequaled performance. C-Ross, your new playground.